Hey guys, Jeff of Tundra Chronicles. Today we're going to be talking accessories and more specifically running boards. Now one of the great things I really like about the new Tundras is the way Toyota has made it real easy to add accessories without drilling holes and a whole lot of work for the do-it-yourselfer who doesn't have these huge facilities to do all that stuff. So for running boards, they make it super easy. The holes are drilled, they're tapped, they're ready for bolt-on accessories. So what did I put on my truck? I put on a set of GoRhino RB10 running boards. So let's take a look at them here real quick. And then I'm going to tell you the goods and the bads. The goods, I really like them. They look like a Raptor board, which is kind of the way they're designed. They are covered in a fantastic kind of Line-X type coating. And I tell you, you put your foot on it and it is not going to slip anywhere. It really works well with the lines of the truck. It almost fades right into the line of the truck, so it's not this kind of weird looking bumpy thing or whatever. I just happen to like them. I like the slats. I think they look good on the truck, what have you. Here's what happened though. Right here, the coating started to come up on the passenger side one here, and it's like, damn, these things aren't even a year old, what have you. So I just kind of thought, man, that sucks. So I called, when I first went down to Michael's Toyota here in Bellevue, which is where I got the truck, where I bought the running boards from. And they were going to give me they were just going to say, okay, no problem, we'll just take those and we'll give you a set of Toyota ones. Well, I didn't want the Toyota ones, I wanted these. So what I did was I went and I called GoRhino, and they said, oh, well, just put in a warranty with your proof of purchase and we'll go down the warranty path. I did that, and no more than 4 days later, look what I have here, right here. GoRhino sent me a brand new set of RB10 running boards for my truck. No questions asked, nothing. I filled out the warranty. They didn't give me a bad time. It was a super easy process. These things just showed up with FedEx. And I just want to say to GoRhino, thank you for making it so easy. I love the running boards. I have no complaints about them at all. It sucks that the coating came off. They were fine with it. I mean, they weren't fine with it, but they were like, oh, no problem. We will take care of it. And you know what? They did. So from a company dealing with quality standpoint, they stand behind their product and they are fantastic to work with. So this is a huge thank you to GoRhino for that. So I'll do a little unboxing here real quick, and then I'll go through a little bit of the install here once I get going. All right, guys, I got one set on. I wanted to do a little comparison here of the two different sets. So on the left right here, this is the old one that I just took off, so you can see where this is coming off here, what have you. And then on the right is a new one, so that's the one I'm going to put on the driver's side. I just put the passenger side one on. But after putting them side by side, I can definitely see that there's a difference in their process. This one here is a lot more rough, which is fine, and it's a little more of a kind of a matte finish. Where this, you could tell, is a little more glossy and a little more smooth. So I mean, a great product. I really like them a lot, but maybe they've changed their process or something like that. But that's the difference I see now. One's just maybe it's just a different coating, or I'm not really sure. But I really like this stuff. I mean, it just, once you put your foot on it, it is not going anywhere. So it's a great texture and very sure-footed when you jump into the truck. And I really like them a lot. So again, a great product, and a great company to work with if there's any issues at all. I was going to say, you can see this little lip right here, which kind of comes up a little bit. And so here's the new one that's on now. It was easy. It only took me about 5 minutes to put it back on, so it's super easy. But you can see here under the lip, so it goes up underneath the truck a little bit to protect that. And it also acts like a mud flap a little bit too, because it is, you know, it's wide for your footing, but it also helps protect the underside of the door of the truck here, because you know, from any debris that comes up from the tire or what have you. So I tell you, the whole thing is designed well and manufactured really well. So it's a nice solid product. I tell you, I like them a lot. So if you guys are thinking about a set of running boards for your truck, for, you know, not just a Tundra, although that's what I have, of course, they make them for all kinds of trucks. So if that's something that you're interested in, you're looking for a good set of solid running boards, I highly recommend these for a great choice. So this is Jeff with Tundra Chronicles, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. If you have questions about the RB10 GoRhino running boards, let me know. I'm happy to talk to you guys about them, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good day, guys. Okay guys, the end of the project is near. So here are the two old boards, running boards. I've taken them off. So this is the driver's side. Again, it's the same process. So you've got the new board here. You've got those brackets in the 2 bolts per bracket that will sit in the channel on the inside. I'll flip this over here. So you take one of these, and it'll sit up here like this on the inside of the channel. So you skirt it around, comes right in. Boom, sits just right there, and then it'll sit right above that, and right above that channel there, and then that is how you lock it down. Super easy, super easy. And then for these brackets, you can see right down here, they're at an angle, and you've got those 2 bolts. So each bracket has 2 bolts that attach to the truck, and the holes are already drilled and threaded for the bolts. So when you get the, so for this kit anyways, when you pick one of these up, it all comes with all the stuff that you need. All you need is a 13mm socket, or, you know, whatever the inch size would be equivalent to, but that's all you need is that, and you're able to put them on. So with that, the project is done. I'm just going to put this one on, and we're going to be good to go. Again, great product. Cannot say enough good things about the company and dealing with them. Gonna put this one on, and we're gonna be good to go, and off we go to the next project. If you guys have any questions about these, please feel free to let me know. This is a super easy project as well. Anybody can do at home in their driveway with just a couple of tools. Really only one tool. So again, if you have questions, let me know. This is a great running board for your truck, and we will see you on the other side. Have a great day, guys. Thanks a lot for watching.